Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. We've got a broken car again.
Going off this car at the moment.
I was going to say, why do you look so happy?
I know. Right, so, obviously, nice frosty mornings. Lovely.
Great British weather.
Yeah. Using it on the weekend. Heaters stopped working. Constantly blowing out cold air like the air conditioning's on. A little bit concerned. My main concern is, has the head gasket gone? Has it lost all its coolant? But no other lights on the dash, so... Okay, we've got an AdBlue, but, you know, well, ignore that one.
Hang on. It wouldn't be a diesel if there wasn't an AdBlue light, would there?
Yeah, well, the annoying thing is that literally came on just after the heaters. So basically going through it, there's no other lights on the dash. If you come and have a look under the bonnet, what I'd normally do is trace the heater pipes. And you can't even see the heater pipes. So you pop the cover up. You still can't even see the heater pipes. So what it looks like, doing a bit of research into this, there's potentially a heater control valve underneath the wheel arch. So my next thing is,
can we find it?
Can we find it? Can we test it? Can we double check what's going on? But yeah, so first thoughts were, has the head gasket gone? Coolant level.
It's going to be warm.
It's still a little bit warm. Absolutely blob on.
Blob on?
Blob on. Look, nice clean, nothing. What can I say to it?
Monday morning.
Yeah. So that's absolutely fine. So the next thing is try and find this heater control valve. What I would normally, as I say, normally you go down the back of the engine, you find the two heater pipes going to the heater matrix, you would check they were hot, then you would know that basically if there's a control valve in that line not making it get hot, or is it something on the heaters not working properly. But unfortunately on this car you cannot access anything. So let's get stripping it down and see what's going on.
Follow us now if you're into classic builds, real garage graft and the occasional bit of regret. Is that free stones?
Free stones.
Oh, there are heater pipes.
There is heater pipes. So the problem I had was I didn't know whether it was this side or the other side. The only information I found on it was to say that it was the driver's side, but they were on left-hand drive vehicles.
Yeah, so theoretically it should be passenger side then, shouldn't it?
Aha, there it is.
We found it.
There it is. Just up here, you need to, can you see that? That's the heater control valve. So next thing we need to do is undo these star drives, drop it down and have a look at it if it drops down.
If it drops down. Is that a leak? Ooh.
What?
Is that a leak there?
No, that's a drain.
Oh.
It's blocked. Nice, look at that.
Ugh.
Another drain blocked on a Porsche.
I was going to say this car is not very good for its drainage, is it? That is the one thing we can definitely say is you need to stay on top of cleaning your drains. It's a good spot though.
Yeah. Good for you, that.
Really? Well, you didn't see it.
No, I didn't. No, I just wasn't looking.
I just look to try and find more work for you constantly, you see.
Lucky me.
Yep. Thought you'd be pleased with that.
Right. So, this is the heater control valve. The housing and everything. Just need to get, there it is.
Wow.
Audi VW.
There's the surprise.
And there's another one there. So the question is it that one? Is it that one?
I thought it was this one. This is the one that we found online that failed.
Yeah, so next thing is go and start the car up and put the heaters on.
As in now?
Please.
Okay. Let's do as he says. What am I checking for? Just see if they come out of heat.
Yeah, so basically you can feel this motor working.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of warmth in that pipe, and then this pipe, absolutely stone cold. So I think that valve's closed. So what we need to do next is disconnect it, check the power to it. Might need to back probe that.
Okay.
Got any lights on the dash now?
Let's go and have a look. No. Only AdBlue. As always, it's perfect weather for doing stuff like this, isn't it?
Lovely. Very hard.
But
Very hard to see.
I know there's this big black thing in the way.
Can't get anything on it. You can see that.
Can on that one, yeah.
Yeah. Can't get anything on this other one.
So does that mean it's the wire or the unit itself? You can't get anything on the...
So the heaters are on, the aircon's off.
Yeah.
Might just be that it's, I need a scope, and it's not necessarily. I need a scope. Test it with a multimeter in case it's like a 5-volt system. Okay, so probe.
Lights up, yeah.
It's got a pulse voltage, which will be opening and closing this valve.
Okay.
So the question is next, has this warmed up? That one's warm. Stone cold. A little bit of warm. So, next thing for me really is see about getting one of these valves. The fact that there's no warmth there at all, and there's warmth in that one, says to me it's more than likely this.
Okay. Should we get some part numbers then, see if we can get one ordered?
Yeah. Alright, let's see if we've got any heaters. Bypassed. Heat yet?
Not yet.
Through to the windscreen.
Fine.
So it always works. Come on. Remember, the car's not very warm, is it?
No.
Or is it? Oh, it's coming up to the temperature on there.
I was going to say that was on the demist the windows thing, so that
I know, just turning it down.
I know, but it gets hot quick.
No, it doesn't, trust me.
No, but it should. That's what I'm saying.
Let's hold the vents up for a second.
Problem is,
Toasty now.
because you've turned the thing up there, I can't see if it's actually...
There you go. It's
Is it warm? Can I put it back on here then? So I can actually feel it. Yay! Warm!
There you go. So do you want to show you the bypass?
Oh, he's dead pleased with this bit of copper pipe. Go on then, show them your little botch.
It's a nice little piece of 15mm copper pipe. Bit of tape back round it to make it the right size. That pipe is absolutely roasting now. That one's also roasting. So yeah, that control valve is needed to fix the heaters on the Porsche Cayenne. So tested the wiring, bypassed it to make sure it definitely fixes it. So yeah, happy to order one now rather than buying something without testing it.
Yep. No, it's a good way to fix it. It's a slightly better day today. There's no rain.
You jinxed that. Right, so this is our nice new sensor. Obviously pushes into here and a couple of pipes on. I'll have to remove my bypass piece.
Yep.
But we've gone for a Febby one. Febby are pretty good. So yeah, let's just get it on and hope the heaters work.
Fingers crossed.
Better have.
I was going to say, it's
Really
far too
need it.
bloody
It's
cold.
Frosty this morning.
Well, being so clear and bright today, you can guarantee it'll be frosty again.
God, that was a good repair, that.
Is this going to squirt everywhere now?
Maybe.
I might take a step back slightly. That's not too bad. Just to make it worse.
Ow.
How do you know which way around it goes?
I don't. That way?
Yeah, I was going to say, I think it goes that way.
Easy enough to do, though.
Yeah. Completely agree.
Considering how the car...
You jinxed that.
Well, it came off.
It did, you're right.
Oh, I don't know. And just a little wide on the back here.
It's a head in the way. that into a bracket.
Yeah. So it's a little bit awkward to kind of show.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So that's all connected. Hose is on. I can go back up.
But can you get it back up?
Hopefully. To be fair, it's what? It's a bolt there, and a bolt there, and it all comes down.
Yeah.
It's not bad. And then just the arch lining back on and wheel on. Okay, so that's all the arch liner screwed in. There's a few screws along the bottom here, a little 10mm, and a couple along here. So that's all done, all back together there. Pop the wheel on, and Rob can go and test it and see if see the heaters work.
Well, it worked yesterday, so theoretically it should work today.
Theoretically.
Provided you put that. Well, provided you put it on the right way around.
What?
Provided you put it on the right way around.
There's only one way it can go.
You say that. Let's hope you got it right then.
Missing a bolt. Come on, what have you done?
It'll be under your mat.
Oh no. You lied.
It's by your foot. Under your mat. Thank you. And that's on film.
What sort of torque wrench is that, right?
Is that or is that not a torque
problem
wrench?
with the torque wrench, Robin.
Is that or is that not a torque
That
wrench?
is a torque wrench, you are
Right.
correct. But that is not the right
You didn't
torque wrench.
specify.
Can I have the black torque wrench, please? And if you say that one's black, red and silver. All right.
Still black though. Go on, let's go and find the black torque wrench, shall we? Oh, black one. That one. It's gonna be that one. Got the wrong one.
Yeah.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.